Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Imran Siddiq and I welcome you to English with Immi. Grammar test a little bit. So what you have to do is it is about your checking your preposition knowledge. So what you have to do is to choose the appropriate preposition to complete the sentences on the next slides. So without further ado, let's jump into it. You have to send me these answers into comment box and I will award you the marks on this. So let's begin.